How to create an Epic Games account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In this video I will guide you on how you can create an Epic Games account, so make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to create an Epic Games account, all you have to do is just open up your browser, and then depending upon whatever browser you use, all you need to do is go to epicgames.com. I'll also make sure to drop a link below. And then once you come to epicgames.com, tap on the three lines icon from the top right hand side. Tap on the option called sign in from the bottom. If you have an Epic Games account already, you can just tap on the sign in with anybody, or you can just select sign up button, which is basically at the bottom of the screen. Then once you tap on sign up, you can select sign up with email, Facebook, Google, Xbox, PlayStation, or even your Nintendo account, your Steam account, or your Apple ID. In this case, if you want to create an independent account, then you can select sign up with email and then just enter the email address that you want to use. So first of all, let me also just choose my date of birth over here, my birthday as well as my birth year. Then I'll just tap on done. Then I'll tap on continue. Then it's going to ask me to simply enter my first name as well as my last name. So let me also just go ahead and then fill in all these details respectively. My last name, my display name that I want, the email address that I want to use, the password that I actually want to create. Once I enter all those, just check these boxes over here, tap on the continue button, and your Epic Games account will be successfully created. And that is it for this video on how you can create Epic Games account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.